Gate.io Review 2024. If you're looking to expand your horizons beyond the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, Gate.io is worth considering. As one of the top 10 exchanges by trading volume, Gate.io gives you access to a massive selection of altcoins and advanced trading features. In this complete Gate.io review, I'll take you through everything you need to know about this global exchange platform. By the end, you'll understand Gate.io key features, fee structure, available cryptos, account setup process, and more. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment and share this video. What is Gate.io? A look at the exchange's history. Gate.io started its journey in 2013 under a different name, BTR.com. The exchange was originally based in China but moved headquarters in 2017 after China banned initial coin offerings and fiat to crypto trading. The platform relaunched as Gate.io, shifting focus to crypto trading. It's now one of the largest exchanges in the world in terms of trading volume. In 2019, Gate.io raised $64 million through an initial exchange offering of its platform token GD. Today, Gate.io has a global user base, with the company registered in the Cayman Islands. It's not available to users in the United States, Canada, or Japan, along with some other countries. Key features and products on Gate.io. Spot trading. Buy and sell crypto in real time. Gate.io offers over 1,700 trading pairs. Margin trading. Trade digital assets with funds borrowed from the exchange. Futures. Enter contracts to buy or sell an asset at a specified price on a future date. EEF/leveraged tokens. Trade crypto assets that track the market with leverage. Gate.io supports peer-to-peer trading for BTC, USDT, and ETH. Crypto lending. Earn interest by lending your crypto holdings. Flash swaps. Quickly swap one crypto for another without going through order books. In addition to these trading techniques, Gate.io offers products to copy successful traders or invest in pre-made crypto baskets. NFT marketplace. Gate.io has its own NFT platform called Magic Box. It allows you to discover and purchase NFT collections, participate in NFT drops and auctions, mint NFTs without any gas fees, gateio and cross-chain transfers. Gate.io developed its own blockchain network called gateio to facilitate transfers between different cryptocurrencies. The cross-chain platform lets users efficiently move assets between various blockchain ecosystems. This opens up possibilities like trading a token native to one chain on another network. Gate.io offers mobile apps for Android and iOS. You can access most of the website functionality through the apps. This includes market data, trading, futures, staking, P2P transfers, and NFT. Gate.io security features and safety. As a centralized exchange holding user funds, security is a major priority for Gate.io. Let's analyze some of the platform's safety measures. Asset storage and insurance. According to the exchange, most crypto assets are held in cold storage. Cold wallets disconnected from the internet enhance protection against hacks. Exact percentages are not shared publicly, though. Many top exchanges disclose that around 95% of coins are kept in cold storage. The platform does not appear to have an insurance fund. However, it has taken steps in the past to compensate users affected by security breaches related to other platforms. User account protection. At the user level, the platform offers two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator or SMS codes, anti-phishing codes and login verification protections, address whitelisting to restrict withdrawal locations, options to freeze account activity in case of a compromised account. There is always an inherent risk when leaving coins on an exchange, but Gate.io provides users with multiple tools to enhance account security. Trading interface. However, the actual trading screens and charts provide a smooth user experience. TradingView powers Gate.io trading engine, giving you full technical analysis capabilities. You can easily place trades through the intuitive buy/sell boxes, and the order book is displayed clearly. The platform also lets you fully customize the workspace and detach charts, depositing and withdrawing from gateio. The platform does not support direct transfers from a bank account. You cannot deposit fiat currencies like USD, Euro, or GBP into your exchange wallet. Instead, you first need to purchase crypto externally using a bank transfer, and then transfer it into gateio. This extra step is inconvenient compared to exchanges that support ACH or wire transfers. Gateio customer support. Live chat. It attempted contacting live chat several times, but never got through to an agent. Others report similar difficulties reaching chat support. Email and form ticket. Email receives responses within 24 hours based on my test. Users report tickets can take days. Self-help guides. Gateio Help Center provides tutorials and FAQ. However, the search is poor, and the content is lacking. Overall, support quality appears below par for the crypto space based on reviews. During bull markets, reaching assistance could be especially tough. Conclusion: is gateio right for you? In summary, gateio stands out through its diverse altcoin listings and a suite of trading products beyond regular buying and selling. The platform can be rewarding for advanced traders. Poor design choices and a lack of beginner-friendly tools make it less accessible for crypto newcomers. If you're based in the United States, gateio won't be an option either. And the inability to easily deposit and withdraw fiat currencies adds friction. With its strengths and weaknesses in mind, here are a few key points to consider when deciding if gateio is the right cryptocurrency exchange for your needs. It is ideal if you're an experienced trader interested in microcap altcoins and leveraged trading. The learning curve may be steep for beginners. Discounted trading fees and promotional incentives provide value, but you'll miss out if you're not actively trading. Security is reasonably robust, especially for an unregulated exchange, but risks remain around keeping funds on any centralized platform. Lack of direct fiat transfers and limited payment methods make funding your account inconvenient. Support receives mixed reviews from users, and English resources are limited. Be prepared to be self-sufficient in troubleshooting issues. Geographic restrictions block the US and other countries' users. Make sure gateio accepts customers from your location. Overall, gateio is best suited for intermediate to advanced traders who value discovering and investing in new cryptocurrencies early. The range of altcoins and trading tools has immense appeal for this audience. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at Financial Markets Online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.